Bulls didn't show up at all on Dalal Street in a manner of saying. So the Nifty cracked more than 100 points while the Sensex fell 310 points in trade. So an overall bad day for investors on the stock market. The bank stocks led the decline and the Nifty Bank fell 1.5% in trade. The mid-caps weren't spared either and mirrored the benchmark indices in terms of percentage fall. In fact, Anuj Singhal is here standing by to decode all that market action for us. Anuj, the bears seem to have won the duel today.
What was interesting was that the markets had a grind lower through the day. The market opened flat, and at any point, if you would have shorted, you would have made money because the market actually ended at the lowest point of the day, which at times is indicator of a trend reversal, but you would want to see 2 or 3 days. Banks led the decline. The Bank Nifty was down 1.5% ahead of that weekly expiry, and bunch of heavyweights were also down. Talking about the stocks which were making a move today, 3 stocks really stand out. Grasim, which reacted negatively to our story yesterday on possible restructuring. Adani Ports, which was the top Nifty gainer, and Tata Chemicals that also rallied after selling the urea business. In terms of stocks that dragged the markets, Reliance, ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank were all lower. Hero MotoCorp, Idea, Lupin were other big losers, and cement stocks corrected today after Grasim's decline. So stocks like ACC, Ambuja and Ultratech were all lower. But keep in mind, these stocks have rallied a lot. Outside the index, some mid-cap gainers today included Tata Communications, Jubilant Life Sciences and Global Spirits. But on the way down, a lot of non-index large caps were down today. That was one of the stories of the day today. So stocks like Motherson Sumi, Dish TV, Apollo Tyres were all lower. So all in all, a weak day. But for trend reversal, you may want to see some more evidence.
Right, so the biggest percentage loss since June 24th, in fact. Thanks, Anuj, for joining us with all those details. But